morning, Year 5 and 6, and today we are going to look at tenses. Today's focus is on present perfect form, and luckily for you, this is a recap lesson. So you first visited this in Year 3, and you learned how to use present perfect form of a verb. So it's just a recap lesson, so hopefully you'll remember things from in the past. So to warm up our brains today, I want you to sort the verbs below into the correct places on the table. So just for a simple table, remember like we do in classes, a bit like a T. So one line, and then sort them into present tense and past tense. Pause the video here and have a go. Well done. So I hope you were thinking about the suffixes of the word and what could help you, and you know what the present tense version of the word is and the past tense version of the word is, so that it made it nice and simple for you. So have a look, mark your work now, see if you've got any in the wrong places and need to have practice of this. Okay, so today we are working in the present perfect tense. Remember, the present perfect tense describes events which started in the past and have continued up until this point. Now, handy tip. When you're looking at the present perfect tense, there are two key words that can help you identify it really simply. So look out for the word has and have. Okay, those two words are key when working with the present perfect tense. So let's have a look. Underline the verbs that show this sentence is written in the present perfect tense. Verbs. Just have a think, what are verbs? Because we've worked really hard on those over the last few weeks. Okay, so I hope that you have written out and underlined has stolen, because stolen is the verb and it has happened and your bike's not been returned, so it's happened up until this point. So here we've got two sentences, sentence A and sentence B, and we're going to think about which sentence is written in the present perfect tense. The dog ate my homework yesterday, so I won't be able to hand it in. My dog, a crazy black and white collie, has eaten my homework. Oh, I remember the key words that I've just spoken about was have and has, and I spot has in one of the sentences. So I know that B is written in the present perfect tense. Now I'd like to challenge yourself, have a go at explaining why sentence A is not written in the present perfect tense. Which tense is it written in? Now we're going to have a look at this sentence and decide whether it's true or false. Grand's on holiday, in Spain, and she has sent us a postcard with a funny picture on it. True or false, the sentence below contains a verb in the present perfect form, and we have got, has sent, so that makes this true, because she has sent us a postcard, but it's up until now. She's said that she has. So now we're going to think about choosing yourself a suitable verb from the selection to complete the sentence in the present perfect form. I'm really sorry to say that I have on the cake you were about to eat. Again, if you're unsure, you can have the strategy of trying each word, rereading the sentence and seeing what fits, because you're really good at recognizing what sounds right and wrong. But think about what makes sense. So, I'm really sorry to say that I have sat on the cake that you're about to eat. That reminds me a bit of Harry Potter and the lovely scene in the Philosopher's Stone. Charlie has written a sentence below. Lionel Messi, the Argentine football player, has been playing the game since the age of 5. Has he used the present perfect tense? Explain how you know. So remember, you are going to start your sentence with a sentence stem. We do not start our answers with because. So the sentence stem I beg you to use, Charlie is incorrect because. He's used the word has, and I spoke about using has and have. What could be wrong about this? me read the sentence. Lionel Messi, the Argentine football player, has been playing the game since the age of 5. That is incorrect. So you need to use the past perfect of be, which is been. So what I'd like you to do today is to rewrite the sentence below to include a verb in the present perfect form. I would hide that chocolate somewhere. So, is your dad, the sneaky football thief, ate the other bar? So think about the part of the sentence that you're about to change. Is it one part? Where is it? Is it at the beginning? Is it the end? What could you add in to make it present perfect? So there are various answers, but the one that came to my mind would be has eaten. So if you would like me to check that it's correct, or your teacher, send them in and we will have a mark for you. One last thing to have a go at, I would like you to put these two words into your own multi-clause sentence using the present perfect form. Now you did this yesterday by making a multi-clause sentence. Okay, so we don't want just one main clause, that would make it a simple sentence. We would like a multi-clause sentence. You need to include the words have and some. Pause the video now and have a go at writing your own sentence in the present perfect form. Okay, so my example today, I said, today I am proud to say that I have sung in a school choir. So I'm going to be really excited to look at your sentences that you've written, if you're in Pike's class, and Miss Bailey and Mrs. Brayfield will be really excited to see their sentences too. So I hope you have a great rest of the day, and let us know if there's any problems or would you like more practice at this,